Nature is a source of inspiration and wonder. The beauty of nature is unparalleled. The colors of nature are vibrant and diverse. The sounds of nature are soothing and calming. The smells of nature are fresh and invigorating. The textures of nature are varied and interesting. The shapes of nature are unique and fascinating. The patterns of nature are intricate and complex. The movements of nature are graceful and fluid. The rhythms of nature are soothing and meditative. The cycles of nature are predictable and reliable. The diversity of nature is vast and amazing. The complexity of nature is mind-boggling and fascinating. The resilience of nature is impressive and inspiring. The adaptability of nature is remarkable and awe-inspiring. The interconnectedness of nature is fascinating and humbling. The balance of nature is delicate and beautiful. The harmony of nature is peaceful and calming. The power of nature is awesome and humbling. The majesty of nature is breathtaking and awe-inspiring. The grandeur of nature is impressive and awe-inspiring. The serenity of nature is calming and peaceful. The tranquility of nature is soothing and relaxing. The simplicity of nature is refreshing and calming. The complexity of nature is fascinating and intriguing. The diversity of nature is vast and amazing. The beauty of nature is a source of inspiration and wonder. The wonder of nature is a source of awe and amazement. The magnificence of nature is a source of inspiration and awe. The splendor of nature is a source of beauty and wonder. The majesty of nature is a source of awe and inspiration. The grandeur of nature is a source of awe and wonder. The beauty of nature is a reminder of the power and majesty of the natural world. The wonder of nature is a reminder of the complexity and diversity of the natural world. The magnificence of nature is a reminder of the beauty and grandeur of the natural world. The splendor of nature is a reminder of the majesty and power of the natural world. The majesty of nature is a reminder of the awe-inspiring and humbling power of the natural world. The grandeur of nature is a reminder of the vastness and complexity of the natural world. The beauty of nature is a reminder of the importance of preserving and protecting the natural world. The wonder of nature is a reminder of the need to explore and understand the natural world. The magnificence of nature is a reminder of the need to appreciate and respect the natural world. The splendor of nature is a reminder of the need to marvel and wonder at the natural world. The majesty of nature is a reminder of the need to be humbled and awed by the natural world. The grandeur of nature is a reminder of the need to be respectful and reverent towards the natural world. Nature is a source of healing and restoration. Nature is a source of peace and tranquility. Nature is a source of joy and happiness. Nature is a source of inspiration and creativity. Nature is a source of wonder and amazement. Nature is a source of life and vitality.
Thanks for watching. If you like, please like and subscribe for more informative videos.